Now, to be fair, am I going to make seafood salad for this? Oh, heavens no, that's why I bought it at Target. Do I regret buying it at Target? Why, yes I do, but here we are, we're gonna be fine. Hello and welcome to the inaugural episode of Between the Seams, also known as Random Things That I Do That Isn't Sewing. In this very first episode, well, as you can tell, we are in my not vintage kitchen. Pew pew. That's because I live in Florida in a suburb. So yeah, these are all pretty much relatively new. You don't care, I'm gonna move on. To be fair to my dear friend Christina, this collaboration, while it was her idea as to let's do something again, I only have myself to blame for the fact that I am doing this today. Yes, indeed, friend, that meme from last year, 2020, wasn't it a year? When that started floating around, I clicked through because I was like, oh, horoscope things, weird food recipes, this could be fun. And then I clicked on Scorpio and dear God, not good, not good. But what did I do? Why, yes, indeed, friends, in the back of my brain, I went, do it, do it, do it. So in case you don't know, Miss Christina is also known as The Air Effect here on YouTube and on Instagram. She will be doing her horoscope recipe over on her channel. So make sure that after you're done watching this video today, that you head on over to her channel and check out what her horoscope told her to do. Yeah, it was ridiculous. Also, hang out because she's gonna come along at the end to not partake of this because, well, she lives across the country from me, but by golly, we're gonna video call her so that she can feel like she's here eating it. Anyways, here's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna take this box of lime jello and make a ridiculous aspic recipe. It's gonna be gross, I'm almost positive. Why? Why did I do this? Why? Why did I agree to this? This is a terrible idea, terrible idea. But first, let's go ahead and flash back to yesterday when I went to the store to acquire all of my ingredients that I didn't already have in the house. Well, now that we've got those three ingredients, let's go ahead and show you the rest of what we've got. So these three monstrosities are what you saw me buy yesterday at Target. And now we're gonna use some of our home stuff, which is a Costco-sized gallon of vinegar, which I'm not gonna use the entire thing, but we just shop at Costco because it's easier. Some mayonnaise, buddy, the squeezable kind. Powdered onion, because who doesn't want onion with their jello? And of course, some water. Now that we've looked at all the ingredients, let's go ahead and see what the recipe actually tells us to do. Dissolve 1 package lime jello in 1 cup water. Add 3/4 cup cold water, 2 tablespoons vinegar, and 1 teaspoon grated onion. Pour 1/2 cup mixture into 1 quart ring mold, of which I only have this little heart thing, so this is what we'll be using today, and the rest of the jello is just gonna go in little cups for us to eat later, because lime jello, sure, why not? Chill until firm. Chill remaining jello until slightly thickened, then fold in 1 cup cottage cheese and 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. Blend. Cool. That doesn't sound disgusting at all.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just...
Pour onto firm jello, chill until firm. Unmold, garnish with salad greens because it'll all be better with a little bit of greenery. Fill center with seafood salad. Makes 6 servings. Oh God, I guess I should just probably get going then, shouldn't I? I have no coffee. All right, let's do this. Popping back in to say, this box of Jello is probably double the size that I need, so what I'm going to do is I am going to actually half this and then make just some regular Jello for my kid to eat, and we'll only use half of this monstrosity for the actual Jello mold. Thumbs up! And 1 teaspoon of grated onion, which is still 1 teaspoon of grated onion too much. Nope, nope, there's nothing about that looks right. Nope, nope, nobody, nope, nope. Oh, it smells awful. Oh yeah, we got half a cup there. All right, we're gonna take this monstrosity, and my helper has already opened the fridge for me, and it's gonna sit right up next to the tower of applesauce. See you in a little bit, buddy. And while we're waiting for that to set, we're gonna take a minute to make some coffee now that we have some form of milk in the house. As I'm not really great at making Jellos, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it out now. It's been in the fridge about 11 minutes, so hopefully it's partially set like it's supposed to be. Ew. This feels wrong. It's like the Titanic. Help me! Oh, now it looks like marshmallows. Oh God, that's so much worse. And now we blend. And the only thing that I have. That's so gross. That is so gross. Close enough. Don't lick your finger.
The next day.
Day 2. So hopeful, and yet I so don't want to do this. So to be honest with you, let's just be honest. I may or may not, when checking the bottom part of the Jello mold yesterday, I might have poked my finger on it. And then, realizing it was still moist, I realize you all love that word, I then licked my finger. So I am really hesitant to put the rest of this monstrosity in my mouth because I already have a vague idea of what's going to happen, and it's not good. Immediate regret. Okay, let's get it out of the fridge and do this thing. Oh yeah, that's set. Oh god, this does not help in any way, shape, or form. And now, let's call Christina. Hi! Well, we have Christina on the phone now, so I guess I have to eat this crap. I don't wanna.
You chose this life.
I did choose this life and I regret every ounce of it! Oh yeah, gotta get a big bite of that seafood! Oh yeah! And I'll just show you, like, actually chock full of every single layer.
Yummy.
Oh god, the lime on the back end of that! Oh god!
I mean, I would say I'm sorry, but I have done fish and jello before, so I knew it wasn't gonna be good.
You knew!
I knew. That was the first food video I ever did, was salmon and lemon jello.
Okay, if I'm being honest,
Your face says it all.
I thought I was immediately going to spit it in the sink. I cleaned out the sink specifically because I was afraid that was going to happen.
Honestly, I was expecting you to for a minute.
It is not good, to be clear. Not good. 0 out of 10 would recommend this. But by f***ing God, I'm a Scorpio and be damned if I wasn't gonna try this. Cause I'm a stubborn asshole.
This just makes me really glad that mine's mostly whipped cream.
Speaking of whipped cream.
If you want a little bit of extra, maybe a little bit too much Gene. And it is very apt for me, a Taurus, who is prone to too much all the time. I don't know if that's actually a Taurus thing, that might just be a me thing.
But wait, just when she thought she was safe. All right, yeah, subscribe now for more lettuce bites. Oh, there's still Jello on that. Oh, no. Oh God, I thought I was safe. It was lettuce. I was gonna be fine. I was not fine. Fun fact, we're not done yet. I saved the center for Ned. Just for you, dear.
Thank you. You really want me to eat this?
Yep. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it.
Oh, there's
Just eat it. One full swoop.
Mine is even better.
I will never, ever. God.
You can have one of mine.
Oh, you're not gonna live this down anytime soon.
Well, friends, that was fun. So, if you enjoyed this, please, dear God, subscribe because that was disgusting. And until next time, friends, I can't even speak. Stay beautiful. We'll see y'all next time. What we're doing today is my own fault. Okay, I feel like they're staring at my boobs.
Looks like Slimer threw up all over the courtroom.
Is that enough? I don't know. It smells horrible! All right, so if I stand here. Boobs! Why am I so tall? Don't lick your finger.
Yes, you put a spoon here already. I'm already not cool with this. It's like a bowl of green snot.
Oh my God.
I don't know what that is. And I really don't want to find out. That is so gross.